As part of the WMS setup for printing labels in the mobile device, we do need to set up what are called report types and templates. So in my mobile administrator role, I'm going to open up report types and templates in separate tabs. My report type list, if you've seen the video that shows printing labels on receipt for purchase orders, you'll know that these are the types of screens that show up when we're printing different types of labels. So if I edit the WMS item label with lot or serial report type, a couple fields default in. This is where I can select default printers and printer types for these different report types. So for instance, if I always want, when someone's printing the lot or serial number item label, it to default to this printer, I can do so. They can also choose a different printer if they want. This is the print template, which is part of the additional setup here. There's a lot of them. What is most important is that we're looking at ZPL templates. So if I view this, all of the labels that we're going to create are going to be in ZPL, which is a Zebra language that we use to actually design those labels. And all that template does is it gives it a name and a file path in the file cabinet to say use this ZPL file or this TXT file every time we want to print one of these labels. So if I go back to my report type, I'm just specifying essentially what is the file path that NetSuite should follow to find my ZPL template. I can set a default number of copies, as well as if there's multiple pages, allow the user who's printing to select which pages they're printing. The mapping and rules, these come in handy when we look at conditionally printing labels. So we can set up different mappings and rules to print different types of labels per location, or we can set them to print to different printers based on location or zone, or a whole host of custom fields that we can use to define for the lot or serial number item labels to print. What are the different rules that NetSuite should follow based on items or item types or locations or what have you. We will have that in a separate video, but for now, this is just setting up report types and print templates.